Kublai pi baro kini longki kubor bam takasni. Kaseng Voice People Party kapan pau ya kajing sngokya halor kajing jia ya snam ki bajia ha Manipur bat kentu ya baro kinong shnong ban penne ya kajing suk san bat ha kaju kapor kala pentip ya ka sarkar jilla ba kadi ban pediang sobha ya ki ban ai ja ka sa shipor ya thu u Dr. Ricky Syngkon Secretary VPP ha kajing ya grand shakilat pathai kubor hadin kajingit a shithi ya ba Preston Tensong Deputy Chief Minister Wat Menteri Katnat Kampo Yen. Ha kajing ya grand u Dr. Ricky Syngkon u ya thu ba ka sarkar kadi ban shim jing kendun ya ki pat nong shnong jangka Manipur ki ban wan sa shipor ha Meghalaya. U Dr. Ricky u kentu ken persyang ban lum jingken ba habala jai ka jinglong jingman ki nong Manipur kin hablek phai biang shalashnong la jong ya thu u Dr. Ricky. Kajingjia bajia ha kajilla Manipur kadai ka bapen khuslai ya baro ki nong shnong kajilla.
Yes, actually from the party we were very concerned with what is going on in Manipur, and especially when we came to know that a good number of refugees have come to our state from Manipur. So we sent a letter to the Home Minister requesting him that proper records of all these refugees who have come to our state to be maintained, so that once the situation in Manipur becomes congenial and hopefully peaceful, so that these people should return to the state where they came from. And we would like to put record, and we appreciate the effort taken by the government to, on humanitarian ground, to allow our fellow beings who have been affected by this situation in Manipur. And so, but at the same time, we thought it would be in the interests of our state, interests of our people, that these refugees who have come to our state to return once normalcy is restored in Manipur. So that's all the letter that we have from the side of the party. Just in case it has not done so, so we thought that it's good to take the initiative from our side so that the government will do the needful in this matter.